Hey, what's up guys? Wood here, and this is another episode of Motolife PH, where we share with you our passion for all things motor related. And today, as you can see, I'm with a group of cool friends of mine. And right here is Terry, who's gonna take us through some motor riding safety tips to help us ride safely and actually enjoy it more. All right, so what we have here for your viewing pleasures is my brother that I've met just recently, Rocker James. And he's an experienced rider here in the Philippines. And right here is Jen, who actually is a newbie rider who has been trained by my friend Terry. So we'll see how good his training is by how this chick runs, right? Terry, great that you could make this today, bro.
Good to be here, Wood, and happy to help out.
Awesome. So today, Terry's gonna take us through what he has learned. But first of all, brother, what is your experience on motorbikes?
Well, Wood, I started riding a small 50cc in 1979.
Wow.
I've owned multiple bikes.
So hold up, that's 39 years of riding.
39 years. It wasn't until 1992 I was working for Australia Delivery Service where I did my first training course. I'd proved myself that I was pretty good, pretty safe rider, felt confident, but it wasn't until I did my first defensive riding course.
Okay.
Defensive riding HART, I think they're called, Honda Australia Riding Teaching Training, Rider Training.
Okay.
I did 3 courses with them while I was working for my employer. I did riding small bikes, but it taught me skills that you can take onto whatever bike you want.
Right, gotcha.
The main skill that I came away from that was the slow riding.
Gotcha.
How to control a bike. If you can control a bike at slow speed, you can take that to high speed.
And I understand, brother, that you also had some experience in racing, or?
Early 90s, after my training, a friend of mine, we used to go on some fast roads in Victoria, Australia.
Right.
It wasn't the safest environment. There's a cliff off, cliff one side, a cliff this side. And a friend of mine said to me one day, why don't you go racing? I did Australian Superbike School training course. That just taught me so much how to take corners in a track, how differently we do on a road.
Gotcha.
Just using all of the track. But you can transfer those skills back onto the road. I did another advanced training, another defensive riding for the road.
Right.
10 years of racing, I raced my solo Laverda, I raced sidecar as a passenger.
Right, okay.
We were virtually, I won't say we were, but we were virtually Australian champions.
Wow, okay.
We won state titles, lap records, basically everywhere we went, lap records. And you might think, being a passenger on a sidecar, that sidecar doesn't go around a corner unless the passenger knows what he's doing.
Absolutely.
I got it round corners.
So this
Great
experience,
fun.
wow. I mean, dude, that is, and so today, this is why I'm excited, because, you know, the nearly 40 years of riding experience that Terry's had, we're gonna try to condense for you.
I don't care what bike you ride, whether it's a ZX-10 or a Suzuki Raider or a Honda Wave.
That's right.
It's about having fun.
That's it.
And having fun safely.
So this is for all riders, so don't...
It is, all riders.
We come, and I'm here to learn just as much as you guys, so I'm taking you together on this journey.